gotten your cash, whether that be from a traditional ATM or directly withdrawn from the bank, touch the screen, elect to buy your coins, and specify the amount, the range dollar amount you want to buy. That'll determine the fee structure applied to your purchase. We'll go ahead and enter the mobile phone number so that the machine can send you an authentication SMS. And I've received that, having to unlock my phone manually as I'm wearing a face covering. We'll go ahead and authenticate with our SMS. Continue the transaction, and what's cool is we can see how the space is really evolving. The machines here, once Bitcoin only, now give you a choice of cryptos. And I almost selected something else. It's kind of cool, but after some deliberation, I decided to go ahead and get some Bitcoin. Here we see the method by which you'll tell it where you want the coins sent. I am going to scan the QR code for my Bitcoin wallet, unlocking my phone again, and I'll launch my Coinbase wallet here and specify or show it the QR code representative of my receive address. Also cool here is the fact that the machines now recognize SegWit Bitcoin addresses. And for those who are new to the space, highly recommend that you look up the term SegWit, or the full phrase would be segregated witness. And there's some fairly interesting history surrounding all of that. Here we enter our currency. The machine counts it all. Once we're done, we hit finish, and that's pretty much it. We'll be given the option to print a receipt, which I'll go ahead and do, but that's it. That's all there is to it.